Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriella and it's been a fucking minute, guys. I know, I slack. I go through these stages where I go hard as shit into something. I'm very into something and I do it for a little bit and then I just fall off the track. And definitely my problem, but I would say I do have a lot of experience in a lot of things, but I like go back to those things. So I know I always have that experience and I have that in the fucking back burner, but here I am. I'm posting a YouTube video and this YouTube video is gonna be a little bit different. It's literally gonna be a recap of 2023. It's gonna be a little bit of everything, what I've recorded, when I just pick up my camera and just start recording. Literally just random things, random moments in my life that I just wanted to capture. So yeah, comment down below, subscribe. You know, life's fucking hard. That's all I gotta say. Life's fucking hard and we all go through it. We go through the ups and downs of it, and all we have to remember is we're still fucking here. We're still fucking killing it. And like they all say, the only one who can get yourself out of the mud is your motherfucking self. And something that my dad always told me is, even though he didn't fucking listen to it, never listen to your fucking brain, listen to your heart. That's what's gonna tell you the truth. This is just something that's wants it quick. It's like, how do you describe it? In a way, temptation, but you're always gonna know what you really want in your heart, not in your head. This is just temporary. This is always forever. So remember that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys learn to just enjoy moments, but also capture them when they happen so that you can go back and remember them. Yeah, so life isn't always about fitness, it's about balance. Hope you guys enjoy it again, like I say, for the 50 millionth time. Glad to see you guys again. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Milwaukee.
Gonna go take them on a fucking walk? Right? Do you guys wanna walk? You wanna walk?
Riding the wave, hell yeah. They love that shit.
That's fun.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ah, that's so cool.
Big enough wave.
Woo!
You know, you gotta get that though.
I know.
Yeah.
You gotta get that formula.
Yeah, it's $2 million.
Yeah. It's only $2 million. They love
Look at
that.
that.
That's sweet.
They do.
You're good. I noticed too, a lot of people. Is it better for editing? Not going up? Yeah. Wanna go chins? I just want to tell everyone that you can go Wednesday.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus cloud with all in the sky.
We are dog sitting for approximately 4 hours for my best friend. This is Mavi, Maverick. He's a Cane Corso, 2 years old, hella energy, love him. He's crazy. He's a big boy. You're good. You're a good boy. Even the back of your thighs are You're a lobster.
You are a lobster.
I don't know.
We're gonna go put this little guy out into the wild. Right, Toad? You're gonna be a chong survivor. I believe in you. Oh my god, you crazy. You crazy. You'd survive a dog having your head in his mouth.
He waited his whole life for this. This is everything he's waited for.
Look at his 4 spots on his back.
It's a big moment.
He's so cute.
He was just looking at me.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like you're not even recording. Where we come to say our goodbyes. You want me to record?
Here you go, little guy.
Oh, look at what a beautiful. Hold on, beautiful scenery.
Here you go. He's so cute.
Oh shit. Gabs is gonna put him off where he needs to be, and he can walk right back on the land and everything. Look at all these turtles. See, look. There's like turtles everywhere. They think we're gonna feed them.
There's no alligators.
There's not. Look at him.
So,
He's ready to be free. We'll hang out. Just see what he does. Let's back up a little and see what he does. Watch your step. There's a hole behind you.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, lose you won't use your rain and thunder, baby. I want.
Hi,
hello.
can you settle a bet for us?
Excuse me?
Can you settle a bet?
Yeah.
What building are you guys from?
We're all the way in the back.
Okay, you're not here. Okay, gotcha.
Yep.
I win. The giveaway is the car.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, as you can see, we were playing tennis and then got disturbed by these old folks because I guess we can't play tennis here. No one was fucking here when we were playing tennis, and then they pulled up and asked if we lived here. And now they have the audacity to stare at us.
Yeah.
And now,
As if I need fucking permission to go play tennis.
so we are leaving, but we will fucking be back. For sure. And we won't bring my car so that you guys won't know that we actually don't live here. Bro, they're building like 70 fucking pickleballs. Fucking courts for y'all. And you're worried about the 2 in your fucking complex? Go fuck off. Go play like the other fucking 24 hours of the day that you have. It is fucking crazy out here. What the fuck? It is 6 o'clock in the morning and we're out here in Southwest Florida, like, what the fuck? I am astonished. Honestly, I'm not astonished because what the fuck is going on? This is worse than Hurricane Ian. This is like at that level, not even lying. This is just insane. Like, see the wind. Like, you can just... Like, you get you... What the heck going on? I I got this blueberry margarita from Aldi's and we're gonna give it a try. It's fucking Sunday, 11:30, but we've been up since fucking 6, so I can say it's okay. Might need a knife. Ah! My Milwaukee. I'm using my Milwaukee knife. And I'm gonna use my Brewmate multi-shaker.
I like it. Send a little video. I'm recording. Oh,
I'm just gonna give him a shake. It smells like a popsicle.
Interesting, it does. You show my rooms?
No, because they're in there. You had to close it already.
Don't forget to add some of this too.
I need more ice in
Don't forget to
here.
add some of this too.
Might add Topo Chico instead. I heard that too. I can see what I'm doing.
Your son flew over
Of course
again.
it did.
Yeah.
Add some Topo Chico. I'm only gonna do a little bit. Only had some blueberries.
Cheers.
Pretty sour.
It is.
I like the color though. Add some fruit in there.
It's not back taste. Did you put lime in it?
I didn't put anything. It just said add ice.
Could be the tequila.
It says agave and real lime juice natural flavors.
Oh, you didn't add any like
Nothing.
tequila or anything?
Nope.
Gotcha. This is a thing you just drink it by itself.
Yep. It's a wine cocktail.
Gotcha.
13.9% alcohol volume.
I was unaware of the situation. Because the button gets stuck. Another one. Right here. Oh. He's gonna come back.
Don't hit.
I'm the guardian of these gates. Windy as shit though. On the hunt, sorry. Over here maybe? Yep, I see one. First victim.
Oh fuck, I hate that smell.
Yeah. Cringe.
I mean, they're gonna keep coming in.
Don't worry. We got fresh battery pack on. What do we have here? Oh, I see one.
And zap
There's a
right
few
here.
of them.
Ooh, that was a good one. What time is it? It is 12:30. Perfect, because I was recording around 6:30. And look how beautiful it is now. And that is Southwest Florida for you guys. We have all the doors open up. Literally. All the doors open up. Tazzy Chan sleeping. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Beautiful day.
Like, look at him. Literally just looks like a
Just love that energy.
a beached whale.
My dog can sleep anywhere. I love it.
So funny.
It's probably too hot for me. Like, just
No,
like,
it feels good out there. It's not hot.
but I'm saying like the sun on directly.
No, Teddy can't like a mama. He liked that shit. See, he liked that shit. He liked that shit. Tell him, Teddy Chingo. Yeah. Tell him. Look at you, pretty boy. Yeah. Yeah. Tell him, Teddy Chingo. I'm like my mama and I like to be outside in the sun. Yeah. 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 Hi, Kiola. Hi, Mama. Hey, Giga. Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Kitty. Hi. You guys are all too cute. Crazy. I'm at Target. I have baby Benny's birthday at 2:30. Y'all, I'm nervous as fuck. I'm like shaking, just like recording here. But anyways, I have this little like shark backpack that I found here. I'll show it to you when I get in the car. But how cool would it be if I found like a little shark towel? They don't have any. But these are cute. So cute, a little puppy. We got a koala, a dinosaur, and a unicorn. But they don't have a motherfucking shark. And I feel like it looks a little girly. So, let's see what they have for like baby clothes or socks. People are probably looking at me crazy because I'm wearing a sweater in here, but my ass is sweaty and it's cold as fuck in here, so I don't give a fuck. Look at me all you want. Do I want to keep a shark theme? I was thinking diapers, and then she said that he likes to be outside a lot. So maybe some toys? Huh. I feel like you can never go wrong with baby beach stuff. Especially because I have like a little like swim duffel bag kinda. So why the fuck not, right? I think those look so cute if I bought him one of those. Wow, the lighting in here is terrible. Look how cute that is. I don't know his size. He's a year. And I don't know how to buy baby shit. Like, I don't know what 4T means. What does 4T mean? I just know my boy big, cause his daddy tall. His daddy's just tall. So I'm gonna keep looking around. I'm gonna see if they have any toys or anything. I'll keep you guys updated while I look. I have no idea what the fuck to buy for Benny. I'm so lost. And I'm looking like high, so I have no idea. I'm recording myself as well. Low-key nerve-wracking as fuck. I was like shaking at first, and then I was just like, honestly, I don't give a fuck. But this is what I was looking at. It's like a little... Exactly. So I was just like,
Mine's better.
That's what I was... Huh?
Let me see like the... Just like...
There's like this outdoor stuff. I'm gonna stop my camera. That's the money bag right there. Franny told me to get it, so that's what we're getting. Yeah, and little baby Bennett a basketball hoop. Thought it was gonna be heavy, so that's why I went and got a cart, but I just didn't want to carry all this shit around. Francisco was like, carry all that shit around. I'm like, you're fucking crazy. But of course the cart I got was shitty, so let's go fucking check out. Ow, Paisley. I love you, but no, no, no. There you go. Nice and calm. Jesus. Catch and Paisley, relax. No, no, you don't need to jump on me. No, no, no. You don't need to jump. No, 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 no. They're a lot. Bro, tell me how we went on the boat yesterday with Francisco's client, my boyfriend's client, and my stupid ass forgot to put sunscreen on. I know, don't yell at me. I forgot to put sunscreen on, and you can tell because I wear these sunglasses, and look at the tan line I have now on my fucking face. That, I'm low-key burnt. I have some color to me, it looks nice. You'll see it in my workout video, but fuck me for not putting on sunscreen, right? Especially on my face. I hate when I fucking don't do that. So you know what I did today? First thing in the morning, sunscreen on my motherfucking face. And I'm actually gonna put some on right now that I'm talking about it. And I need to do like a little run through the house to see if anything happened while I was gone. And I was so dehydrated last night. I was super dehydrated last night. I could tell because one, my lips were dried. My lips were so fucking dried. And on top of that, every time I would go to drink water, I would like suck that shit down. Like literally be done with it. So yeah, my ass is gonna jump in the pool a little bit with the dogs because they've been wanting to go to the pool for a minute now. Then I'm gonna shower, get ready for Benny's birthday, and then head my ass over to Caroline's house. Caroline's parents' house, I should say, over in Mount Lachey. So that'll be fun. I haven't been over there in a minute since like what? Actually, before she even got married. But I used to go there all the time for high school. When we were both in high school. And yeah, we got stories as well, so we'll leave that for a different day. Where maybe. So I'm gonna take my clothes off and we're gonna go plop in the pool with the dogs. Technically, I can just here. Cash. And then you'll see once I jump in how crazy they're gonna go. Is there a shampoo and conditioner out there that you don't have to like completely wash your hair after the pool? Especially like when you go consistently, like day after day, that swimmers use. Is there something out there? Because if there is, comment down below. Let me know. I need it. I'm like a water girl. And for me to wash my hair every day, I feel like that just is no bueno.
Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Paisley, show them your little cute thing you're just doing. There you go. Why won't your brother come in with us?
You wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
Her dry off a little bit. That was enough. That was enough jumping. Cash, you didn't even want to go in, so stop barking. Stop. See if she's gonna go after it. Ready, Paisley? Ready? So now I have to go get it? Get it, Paisley! Go get it! Get it!
There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror.
Gonna lay out a little bit, let the dogs dry out, take a shower, and start heading over. Bro, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day now that I'm thinking about it. I only had coffee. But that was fun. I love swimming with dogs. I should probably actually rinse her off. I'm gonna rinse her off. I'm gonna rinse both of them off.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting,
Chicken Caesar wrap. Gonna whip it up real quick. Yeah, like my boobs just look weird. I feel like.
You look fucking Cleopatra.
I feel like the lighting. Yeah, that light needs to be changed. I look yellow, like orange.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. Can I tell you what year all the lights are from?
No.
2002.
Ours?
The ones I swapped out. So, like everything has a date on it. The ones that I took down from the lanai.
Heard. Yes.
Those were from 2002. Those were fucking 20 years old.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I can imagine how old this light is. All the way to the scale. I think it's a lot older.
Interessanti. That and the way this is tied needs to be tied different.
Yeah, I think it's just goes hard.
Look at going on a first doggy pet sitting night.
First night sitting.
Sleepover.
I gotta leave my frog cookie challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to see Ollie and Tank.
Yeah, they're gonna cuddle you.
Yeah, I think Ollie's gonna cuddle me.
Yeah, send me some videos. Mama!
He ran away.
Okay, I'm gonna grab him. Come on, Mama! Come on! Matt, come on! Matt! Come on! Matt, come on!
Really ready to run away.
I see that. Come on, just like Ollie girl, huh?
Literally.
Y'all saw the time, 11:46 p.m. on a motherfucking Wednesday, and I'm out here listening to area code and smoking some weed. We are hella dog sitting. I'm heading out. Just gonna go check on a doggo because the homeowner says she's not sure if she locked the door. So I gotta go check that. Gotta bring this rake over to a job site for the man. And probably gonna go into Fort Myers and check on Ollie and Tank as well. And from there, I'll probably come back and hopefully we'll work out. Hopefully bring you guys along my workout. Something, 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 you know how it be. You never know. I feel like my workouts are all the same right now, so. Fucking struggle. Alrighty. Catch you guys on the flip side. This girl. Yeah. You're trying to bite my freaking thing. Oh my god, no. Why are you trying to bite my fucking... Yo, tell me how I bring the camera out. Come on. Come on, Tank. Come on. Come here. Come here. Not biting my... No, you're not. Yo. Meow. Meow. And then there's a little Ollie girl scared. And we're Tammy. Sammy, come here. Sammy. Come here. Come. Come here. Let me show everyone. I want to show everyone to you. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Meow. No, you don't like seeing yourself. No. Meow. 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 Yeah. Meow. I hope you guys enjoyed my chaotic fucking YouTube video of how my 2023 has been going. There's probably gonna be a lot more hectic shit that I'm gonna be posting. Moments hopefully manifesting vacations that are going to be happening, because that's what I wanted to do all 2023. But it seems like I've been working my ass off. So hopefully with that will come a time where I can just vacay. But for now on, I am working my ass off. We got long hours, but hey, well, I can't complain because I'm working for myself. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want to see more, if you guys want to keep updated, if you guys want to see how my life really starts from 5 in the morning till midnight or however long I keep going, comment down below, let me know. Tell me how you guys get through your long days. What are your favorite vacation spots? What are your favorite things to do on your off days? What do you do to relax? I want to know. I know we're all different. We all have different ideas, but hey, I would love to learn and try new things out. Comment down below. Love you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful year and a wonderful day.
I've been blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been on a French, they la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I